That thing of girl, bro.
Answer that answer, Carl. No, what you doing to me?
Yo. You wash drawers? Yes, Papa. You wash drawers? You take off drawers? You plan to take off the dirty drawers?
Yeah, tell us about the town man.
Town man? Town man no bad man, brother. I don't know nothing more about town man.
Man, we try to pick your brother.
Town man a thief, too, you know. But most of them are bad man. Real town man still, you know, because town man no take fuck with nobody, you know. And I like Portland where we can style up, man, and pussy one up, man. And you know what I mean? I say tell man to suck, man. You can't do that with town man, and you have to defend yourself instant, brother. Yes, brother.
So how you slap man, how you slap up man at town?
Hey, my thief.
So what happened?
Town man kill thief, you know. And depends how you thief and where you thief and when you thief. Because you can't thief eagle, them come a market in them feet, town man, you know. Town man protect when we got town. So if a man come to thief him, I will get no flick bread. Holy pally.
So what's up?
Man, no come and pick people side of me, brother. Man catch him, see man a give man 5 fists in his face. And I say, yo, what go on there, sir? And same catch him a pick him. I say, give me a piece of him there, brother. Man chuck him, give me my back out kitchen, bitch, and give him 3 blood clots slapping eye down face to the asphalt. Like me a town, man. Slap up this pussy and pitch him off here to people them about. Oh, no kill him, no kill me, say, oh, no confederate, no take him. Oh, no send him to come pickpocket. I tell them, say, if I did ever me or my friend, we catch him a pick and head me a cut off 2 bone. Blood clot teeth. We don't come here for blood clot teeth, we come here for sell and make $1 and go up a bread. A man to come here about them a pick with.
So that's the only pick you get?
No, nobody never picked me. Now my friend that come from Maypen, I come to Portland.
Clarendon, you there?
Yes, brother. Me live down there, you know. Yes, brother. When we reach that town and step up in a bus, my friend never tell me, say, him not having bill for him. And not. So I say, wait there, brother. Him say, man, pick me. Yes, see you in Portland, we are coming now. You can't hear your fear if you go back to Maypen, bro.
Who are you waiting?
Can't help you if you go Portland and support you till we're ready if you go back down to Maypen. We can't give you fear if you go back to Maypen. I want me squeeze me fear, give back out of family go traveling money. And tell him, say, brother, you have to be careful on that when you travel, brother. Bill fall in a backpack, it stick up high. Up in a bus, hold on with one. I know man I go pick him. A bill fall in front, my brother. Anyway, me there, them a carry them up in a bus with this. You have this thief off in a pocket. And my boss, you know, him have all my money, you know. Yeah, battery man. The battery make and sell, brother. And pocket high so money, brother. Man say now having bill fall, me think a joke. $1 for pay go back home to Maypen from town, you know, brother. Everything in a bill fall pack up. Me have money in a this, in a bill fall, in a pocket. Yeah, man.
That last time,
Pick me some, brother.
last time when I first Virgin get picked at town, you know, out of 3 mile lane. The woman see 2 boy company bus, one come up front, one come up back. So the woman see one pick him on, you know. So he said to the man, say, no, the woman said, man said, what you say? What about that boy? Check out wallet. You have a Wally, give me the ice cream. I never stop up that pussy I know. And Squally go say no. You know what come out? No man, just the ice cream hungry.
Every year left no in there.
You know. Pass that wild up boy. And boy give back wallet, you know? And come on, bubbles. I said Squally go say, I'm going to come up. Fine, come up on the ice cream.
Man, they cover the thief wallet. Give back that so quick.
Give back wallet, brother.
You know one white catchy man 1979 catchy.
What that what?
Give back wallet.
Either come from town, brother, or down the parish way down so. Man pick him bill for him and up have to walk home. At a Friday night 70s. Catch him back in the 90s and now him a come home. Man pick him bill for again in a bus. Man get up and say, yo brother, somebody thief me purse. Or who take me bill for? No man not the man say no hear what. No make what happened 1979 happen again. Man bill for run carry back man say yes brother. The people them no want know what did happen 1979. Man say not never did happen and the people want more. And just that did happen. So this a thief you know him get him for one. You don't know what did happen you know. So you know what the thief. The case carrying by the man. You say cold blood clot. You have to stop thief. Yeah, cause you just give yourself right there.
1979
just a prison craft, the man drop and the man him come get it up, you know. Can't
I
touch
should
me,
see
brother.
you something 1979 to him on a target.
Yeah, must something serious, man, with an earthquake.
You know what that happen again,
you know what that happen.
Give back wallet, brother.
Yes, carrying the brother, quick.
Yes, I wallet the last.
Have to brave if you're a thief, brother.
What?
Thief a man that does a ball and you know here.
Let's see, man.
I help him ball to brother. Business with him.
Ball.
Dry eye, man.
Such man don't come over here, so.
I can't go and ball.
The such man switch from over there, man. The boss tell him to move from the camera car. Camera run over there, so hard, you know.
That's how.
Such man.
So the man take me out, you know.
Yeah, phone sound what he say, no? And say, yo, wanna go and talk, no?
Yo.
No, the prank camera, no? Such man dumb. I'm gone out, so.
See Sunday when around a such man and I see him pluck out your eye and your camera.
Yeah, man.
Pluck out your fuck. The rest of the day, me not see, me not work back this and brother. Early, me see such man change and a clean clothes ready. Never see that yet.
And I want to tell us some reach one before you.
Alright, we don't know what happened, brother, but he come like such man suspects say some video go run.
brother.
And he move.
Such man take for himself, brother. I don't know.
Now such man I up away from liquor
I
something.
don't go here so 3 more nights in a sleep.
I love because you say
He want to sleep. But they don't sleep 3 nights now.
See, at 3 nights me make him not sleep, brother. So me say,
Yeah,
why do make you not sleep?
Man, say something hard, man, take it down.
Better trouble him, cat it up, bother me. Take it down, take it
Beg
down,
you, take it down.
bother me. So me say, what that, what? Man say the thing where we talk on the video, me say, what? Then now you talk your business over your papa make people hear. Man say, oh, me style him, same sting. And say, then make we hear that video, no, nobody else never hear it.
9 phone calling get from
9
Bertha.
calling, get 1
Take
night.
it down. That bother me, I beg you, please.
Take it down. Me have to go out there so go take up a big stone and tell him, say, brother, we don't move from blood clot in front of me. Like a joke you take me for, man. Or you think me afraid of your face. Man, so me have to get him out of my face, brother. Me hear him out there so I talk. Me have to go back and say, what you say a while ago? Just say it again, make me hear. Him out the day I trim. Say you fi talk, make me hear, brother. Cause me know you know where you in with you, you know. Just talk up loud. He say, It a trouble him, I go to boss, him turn off. Say, go on, brother. I must think boss can beat me on fire. I say that. Boss, him take time, I come down like snail. I look around the place, hear him bad. When you have video such man, and him a complain to me, say video a trouble him, I make him can't see the glad we check it out.
3 night now.
I say, boss, him in a video no man, I made a post no man. Hear him, so now you, me say, no, son. That's it. Argument done.
Send call my brother.
I send the video, man. Call a man down there and a pink girl food. Every time.
I'm saying this to me, yeah?
Yeah. There you
Yeah, man.
Fool them.
So like you
At the
guys.
same time, we are encouraging him to go buy a pair of water boot. Where you can work till the new boot where you say I come. Such man say I'm allergic to it, brother. But if not allergic to the old water boot, your man wear and left in a corner.
I knew one, man
But I'm
allergic.
allergic to the new one if I
Yeah.
hardware, you know. Such man say nah, go there, brother. Such man rather know say boy him work and get pay and go buy some slippers.
Yes, brother.
And him dress na ass down a road till you.
Can buy wool.
Yeah.
Can buy wool for 20 and
15
15
and
and
18,000
$18,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, brother.
$1,000 coming by.
Such man say not like you know when he bid, you know. I know no speed, some money talk.
And him no buy local.
No, brother.
And I see where him call official, you know.
Why me have to run there?
Yes, brother.
And girl, when man no want to lick out batty hole,
And that such man call
beam
official.
preps.
Yes, brother.
Brother,
Then 18,000
18.
and 20 and 15.
Furniture.
People not tell me say such man not take off underpants.
Yeah.
When him come in a bed, brother, I just mouth him use and leg.
Man
With
say
Viagra, me no believe.
oh, you man say from 1983 man some pussy, you know. A long time that, you know.
I want to know where Viagra do to tongue.
And 1983, bro.
So, where do you piss up my tongue? Such man there.
A stone him use, brother.
A stone in ladder pan
Yeah,
tongue.
sod up tongue. Little mouth start fraud.
Yeah. And I
I
said,
say then how you go get rid of that stone or something you put you on your happy fuck.
I'm gonna let tongue in a hole.
Something I go around go dip this in a man.
Lift up tongue in a hole.
But then I say you break. Man, no care man, the man say around him I go get your breath. That can't wash off.
The boss about this to who me a go road tonight, you know. And you so hard me a blood clot up. Think a girl a get to me money, so now just stone up.
Stone up a
Go
bit.
on.
You never stone up a cat.
For what? Me nah fuck bees.
You know what?
Fuck bees.
Bees?
This
So
stone
me
up.
a stone up.
Yeah.
Me a
And a
fuck
long coming
bees.
one in the
Hey.
front cat. Come fast and
Animal
done
in
there.
a brother. Man, we a fuck donkey and mule and cow and then
Yeah.
something the stone up, brother. Me a stone up a go. No, brother.
And if a long fucking.
You just try stone and see say this make you fuck lamb. You no bother with you again. No man, like how you try Viagra, you try coke, you try everything, you know.
Yeah.
Weed, grabber, cigarette.
Alcohol.
Yeah, so nobody not tell you the effect where that carry, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know drink
You have to
alcohol.
good for try and left it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You stop them with
Yeah,
that.
you stop them man. You have to good for try and left it. Nobody can't tell me about nothing. I know about everything for myself, brother. I try everything. And now I'm not addicted to nothing but weed.
Yeah.
If I don't get no weed when daylight, I'm mad, you know. It take a little time to get mad, but make your time go too far, brother. I have to get weed. Yeah, brother. I have to get weed for smoke. If I don't get weed for smoke, you think I can work over here? No, brother, nobody can talk to me. I'm saucy as fuck. Mad in my head. No, man, just like them man, we have to drink their rum, brother.
And more get long.
Yeah.
Like all bullet.
Alright.